Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. Today I want to share with you some products that were sent to me. They are all on my face right now. And well, not all, most of them are on my face right now. And this is, now this is all new to me. On Instagram is where I found out about this company, and it's called Freeze Co. Beauty or Freeze Company Beauty. I'm not sure how the lovely Christine, who owns it, pronounces it. I don't know if it's Freeze Co. Beauty or Freeze Company Beauty, but it says Freeze Co. So let's just go with that. All right, my friends? All right, so, and there will be a code underneath, Tammy20, to get 20% off if you decide to shop at Freeze Co. Beauty. And keep in mind, though, that the 20% is only on participating brands. My Invisalign is making me list, not lip fillers. Okay? All right, you know who you are. All right, so I wanted to mention that there are only 2 lines that she carries that are not included in the 20% as of now, because I'm sure she's building up her inventory of different brands. And that is the Sappho brand, and also Suntegrity does not allow discounts on their products. But everything else in the store, you can get Tammy20 for 20% off. She is an authorized dealer of every brand she sells. And some of the brands that she carries are Sanita's, The Truth by Ben Fuchs, Sappho, Revitalash, Quixonic, Glow Skin Beauty, Henné Organics, Sarah Happ, and Suntegrity. And like I said, I'm sure that she will only grow. And I think she's based out of North Carolina, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's get started and talk about some of the things that she sent me that I have on my face today, okay? First of all, another nice thing is you can get samples from this line, and they make the samples, and I guess she sends them to you, because that's what she did with me. She sent me a sample of the Kate, which is used, and she also sent me a sample of the Lisa, which I could probably wear either one of these. So I'll try that on another day. But today I went with the Kate because I just got back from Florida, and this one had just a little bit more of a golden undertone to it. All right, so we are talking about Sappho's New Paradigm Essentials Foundation. Okay, so a little bit about this. This is what the packaging looks like. Really nice. I haven't opened this one yet because this is Kate. I have the sample, so this is what is on my skin right now as the foundation. Okay, so the Sappho brand is clean, conscious, and vegan, cruelty-free. For this bottle, which is a 1-ounce bottle, is $54, and it is called the New Paradigm Essential Foundations. It comes in 12 shades, starting from light going to very dark. I know it's not a big range of color, but they do have very light, and they do have 3 darker tones, and all the rest are light to medium. So 12 shades, and this gives a light to medium coverage. It's free of coconut oil, which is really important for some people because some people have very problematic skin, and coconut oil is a trigger. So this is free of coconut oil. And it is rich in phytonutrients. It is a feather light formula, although it is a very thick formula, and it's not runny, which is nice. It's a radiant, smooth finish, and as you can see, this is the finish on my skin, and I will show you what I put on as a powder. It has a color timing to stabilize the color, so we'll see if it oxidizes on me. I'll put that in the description box next to the foundation. Everything will be listed and linked below for you. It is made with organic aloe, jojoba oil, and shea butter. So I will say that I also applied it with my Artiste brush, because this is the style brush that is actually sold by Sappho. So this one here is the Artiste. You can also find these brushes in knockoffs, and this one works really well. I found it at TJ Maxx. So if it's not in your budget to get the brush and the foundation, look for an alternative, but try this. It did not I did not want to do the Beauty Blender because of the formulation, and you'll see what I mean if you are already using it. Now, if you're somebody who uses this and you do use your damp sponges, let us know. But for me, this really, I applied it with my hands first, and then I took the Artiste brush and just swirled to blend it, and it blended down beautifully. Okay, so again, that is the Sappho foundation. Now let's move on to the eyeshadows, and I have all 5 of them on my eyes today, and they come in little individual pans, just like MAC or Anastasia, and they also sell a magnetic pan set. I think they have 4, and you can put your shadows in there. Now she sent me 5, and we're going to go through those in just a moment. Okay, so the eyeshadows, they have no nanoparticles. They are $21. There are 19 shades. They are made with jojoba and argan, organic herbs and flower essence. They are silky smooth, deeply pigmented, and they are produced without heavy metals, minerals, and they are also hand mixed. So I'm going to go through the colors that she sent, and I'll start with the lightest. This was what I used on my base, so this went all over, and this is Monica, and it's a very light peach, almost it's such a light peach, but it takes on just a slight pinky tone, and that is what it will look like, and it blends out like so. So this was my base on my lid. I put that all over. Again, that is what it looks like. Bring it closer. The next color is called Bekitt, and this is a really pretty, almost like a caramel tan. That's what it looks like. Let me give you a swatch. And this I have all along my crease area. It's a very, very light caramel. And that's what it looks like. I put just in the crease and just slightly above, and then I feathered it out softly. The next one is very, very similar, and this one is called Laura. And that's what it looks like on a finger swatch. That is the pan. And next to the other, that is what it looks like. So there was Bekitt, and this is Laura. And the next one is Victoria, and this one is beautiful, beautiful orange. Take a swatch of this. And the Laura I have on the lid area, on the outer part, and then over it, right in the corner, I have Jono, and this is a brown tone. And that's it in the pan. Them on my eyes right now. Okay? She sent me 2 blush, and I'm wearing the Natalie on my cheeks. These are $25. They come in 6 shades. They're deeply pigmented. They have a satin finish. They are vegan, non-GMO. They are made with an herb flower essence, jojoba oil, and argan oil. And I'll show you the Natalie first. This is the one that I actually have on my cheek area right here. And it's a very pretty peach. It reminds me of like a Peaches for MAC. And let me just swatch that on my finger for you. So that's what it looks like at a distance. And then I'll bring it forward for you. It's a very, very light, bright peach. The next one is Emma's blush, and this one is more of a rosy tone. And that's what that looks like. And then I'll give you a nice swatch of that. And if I put it right next to the that's what it looks like. Okay, and she sent me a lip gloss by them, and this is called HAZEY. It's a beautiful mauve tone. I don't have this on my lips because it did not go with the look that I created as far as my eyes went, but it's a really pretty, these smell nice. Very nice. It's a very pretty mauve tone, and that is what the tube looks like. And it comes with a nice doe foot. What it says about the lip gloss, it comes in 4 colors. It's $25 for the gloss. It's made with organic butters, waxes, and oils. It's sweetened with lemongrass. That's why I like it so much. I could smell it. I diffuse lemongrass all the time. I love it in the house. It also has stevia in it to sweeten it. It's deeply pigmented, has flavonoids, phytonutrients, antioxidants, no alcohol. It is 70% organic. Let me just shear it down so you can see what it looks like when it's on. So it has a nice sheen to it. It is a little bit, it's not as thin and sloppy as some glosses, but it's a very pretty mauve. It would have gone with my shirt today, but I decided to go with a peachier look. Okay, so now the next 3 products are from another line she carries, and it's called Henné. I don't have any of these on, but I wanted to share them with you. I did try the lip exfoliator. It's very, very, very nice. And the one that she sent me is obviously the berry. The lip exfoliator is $24, comes in 3 flavors. Its base is sugar, coconut oil, jojoba, and shea butter. And it smells divine. It's a really nice, soft exfoliant. I just love exfoliators. And you can eat it because it's made with sugar and all really good things for you. You'll see when I wipe it down, there's still a nice sheer coating on it, so it really leaves the lips nicely conditioned. I like that about lip balms. And this one did not disappoint. It's beautiful, my friends, and it tastes yummy, and it smells yummy, and it worked really nice without any toxic ingredients. She also sent me the lip serum. Now, I've not started to use this one. I'm going to start this tonight. It's their lip serum. And this one here says it says infused with rare Arctic berry seed oils and perfectly cultivated by the harsh Nordic climate, our lip serum contains a time-defying blend of antioxidants and essential fatty acids that promote collagen production and help nourish and smoothen the lips. It says gently shake the bottle prior to use, apply 2 to 3 layers onto the lips, wait a few minutes for the serum to dry before using any other lip products. And it has rose hip seed, camellia, argan oil, it has jojoba, it has cloudberry, it has apricot, pomegranate, passion fruit. Ooh, that must be what I'm loving in there. I absolutely adore passion fruit. And it has lingonberry, it has vitamin E and beeswax in it. It's made with certified ingredients, organic ingredients. And let's see what this looks like. It comes in a little tube, and it says to shake, so we will. And let's see. Oh, it comes with a roller ball, so that'll be really easy to apply. I'm going to start using this tonight because, you know, I would like to build some collagen in my lips. So if this helps, it helps. And then she also sent me the luxury lip tint. And let me see, these are $21. I don't have the information on the serum. Okay, so this company, Henné, was founded in 2015, and it's all lip care products. It also has a lip balm and a lip mask. You know I love a good lip mask. It says the luxury lip tints comes in 2 colors and it rehydrates and smooths. So let's go ahead and see. It comes in a beautiful black tube and it rolls up beautifully. And let's see, this one here is the, I think it's called, what's the color on this one? Let me see. Bare. Okay, so the color is bare. And it truly is just a nice hint of color. This is nice for me. I wear stuff like this when I'm walking to keep my lips conditioned or at the gym. It has just enough color that's really kind of pretty. It's a really nice balm and that's what the tube looks like. Okay, so that is it. I wanted to thank Christine very much for sending me these products, and also to the subscriber who actually mentioned this. This all started because I contacted the company and asked if I could get a sample, and Christine watches my channel, recognized and offered to send me some things, and I said great. So I wanted to tell you again that there will be a discount of 20% off your order with the code TAMMY20, which I will put below. I'll put all the links for you down below so that you can go right to each product that I talked about. Again, my face, I'm wearing all of the eyeshadows. I'm wearing the foundation and I'm wearing the blush. I'm wearing Glow Mineral. This is, I think she carries Glow Beauty, and I think this is part of it, the Glow line. This is the bronzer that I'm wearing today, and this is bronze, and this is Sun Kissed. I'll look online to see if she carries this also, because it's a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. And also, there was one other thing that I thought I had on. Oh, yes. For my powder today, I went with the Glow Mineral. I'm not sure if this is part of the Glow. I'll look that up, okay? It says Glow. And I know it says she carries Glow Beauty, but this may be something different because this is Glow Mineral. But I'm quite sure the bronzer is part of hers. It may be discontinued and not made anymore. I don't know, but we'll check because I've had that for a while. All right, so over it, I did put the Glow Mineral, and this is a mineral powder, and it's the Golden Medium Loose Base that I put over the top of the Sappho foundation. All right, so there you have it. Again, thank you to Christine. Everything will be listed and linked below for you. Use the code TAMMY20, and remember, she also carries the Ben Fuchs. I did order from her. I thought she was so nice to send me all this stuff. I wanted to reciprocate. So I did order some of the Truth products from her. I do already have the C Balm and the C Serum, which I got from Premier Look, but I wanted to just, I wanted to show her some love, I mean, she's a new company, she's a woman, and I love supporting other women. All right, so take a look at Freeze Co. Beauty. So that's it for me today, friends. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you are notified of all my new videos. And if you're somebody who's been watching me for years and you're not subscribed, I want to know why. I want to know why. Subscribe, my friends. All right, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.